Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Beetles gel polish review. This is the Reason and Romance kit, so I hope you enjoy this video and let's go ahead and get started. Well, let's go ahead and start with an unboxing. So this is actually a 20 gel polish kit. So there are 20 mini little gel polishes in here. So this is what it looks like. We have a little application guide right here. I did do a Beetles gel polish review before, but it was a different box and a different, all different colors. So definitely check it out. We'll have it linked in the description box if you want to watch it. But this is a little application guide that it comes with. So it just kind of runs through, you know, the basics like clipping your nail, filing it, and all that stuff before you apply your gel. I specifically picked Reason and Romance because they had a lot of like more fall related colors, which we are going into fall, so I'm super excited about. I have picked my colors that I want to use, but I'm gonna go ahead and file my nails first because that's what I'm missing. They actually have grown pretty long. I got this little nail filer a while ago. I think I got this from Walgreens, but I've had it for a while now. So I'm just gonna file my nails. I already clipped them and everything, so I don't really need to do that. I actually just got my gel off because I've been having gel back to back. I got my gel done for my birthday and for Hawaii, and then I got my gel done again in Peru with like different colors for summer, and now I just got them off and I just need to file my nails, and then we'll go ahead and actually start putting our base coat. Okay, I have officially finished filing my nails and they are ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the the base gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the base gel. This is the foundation base gel. So this is what comes in the kit. You have the base gel, the top coat with matte, like the matte top coat, and then you have the regular, just a regular top coat. You have the regular top coat. Also, I want to share, I use this in my past Beetles gel polish review video as well. So this is the Smart Nail Lamp 2.0. I will link this in the description box. It's actually pretty affordable. I got it from Amazon as well. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple, pretty just regular UV lamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it, and then you have the option to do like 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and even like 99 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and add my base gel, and then let's just start putting my hand in there. What it looks like right now, so you can barely see it. It's clear, obviously. I try not to put too much because I do notice that in the little application guide that it came with, it says to not put too much of a coat on your nails because it'll burn a little bit when you use the sun UV. And I've definitely noticed that because that's happened to me before. Whenever I do my gel nails, I feel like sometimes I add too much gel at once and it starts burning a little bit, especially like the sparkly ones, because I add more just to notice more sparkles. So I have my base gel on both of these, so I'm going to show you what colors I got, or what colors I picked for my fingers. So I want to do all different colors so that I can show you all the, like, you know, more than just one color on my nail and what it looks like. I'm going to do 5 different colors. So the first one, I'm going to start with my thumb, most likely. I'm going to go ahead and go with B611, which is more of a white color. Then I'm going to go in with the B613. This is more of a nude beige color, so kind of easing into the oranges and browns. Then I'm gonna pick the orange. So this is not the brightest orange, but more of like a less bright orange. This is the B614. I'm gonna go ahead and use B615, which is in between like a brown and an orange. So I thought this would be perfect. And then the last one is just B6, oh sorry, that was B615. So the last one is B616. So this is the actual brown. It gives me like a little hint of red, but I mean, I guess because it's brown, that's why. But that's gonna be my last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use all these colors on my nails, on this one, and we'll see what it looks like. So let's start with the white one. I do love that it comes with this little organizer, because you can literally just put it back in there and organize it yourself, like however you want to change up the colors in there. So I think this little thing is super convenient. But besides that, I really do like the gel polishes. I think the colors are really pretty. I couldn't really find a more fall selection, so this is the one that I picked, and I really do like the colors that I ended up picking. It kind of matches what I'm wearing right now. I think this is such a good deal because you can actually just do them yourself at home. Well, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would truly help out my channel. Don't forget to check out the gel polishes. I really like the color, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.